is this pound Swiss. Pound Swiss and pound yen, the biggest movers, and the pound dollar, the biggest movers in the session. The biggest being the pound Swiss then, and you can see why. While we were going, look, 129.89, 129.89. Okay, that's your momentum low in the downtrend. Compare this to Euro Swiss. Okay, the Euro Swiss, we just did it, the 114.05, remember? We came through, we're even more further forward than in this pound Swiss. 129.89, we're below that level already, closing, we can actually close below the previous day's low. That is already, that's basic, that is a short out of the range. Tokyo, that is. No waiting, you're in. The structural short is 129.89. We're below that. Okay, you are looking to short the range straight out the blocks in this. Your structural long is 132.62. Okay, so it's above last week's high, and you want to take into account the momentum low here in the downtrend. That's your long, 132.62. Above that, nice clean picture, similar picture we've seen before. And look how formulaic this trend is. Very low volatility, very rudimentary. This is, okay, here's your gift. I think this is one of the nicest setups we've got, because we've got a decent long here, and we've got obviously an even better short. Weakness out from the back end of last week. So we're already below the structural short of 129.89, the structural long 132.86. The short is now. The short is 129.20 or 129 the figure. Here's yesterday's low, here's Friday's low. You're short, range forms below this, you're short. Your short stop 129.30. Your short stop, you know, is, I mean, that might be a little bit close, to be honest with you. If you can manage it, if you can wear it, I mean, ideally you'd want your short stop at the 129.89, but you know, clearly those of you, you're going to have your stop the other side of the range. But in terms of this, you don't want this to come back against you too much. First choice, if you can do it, you stop once a bit 129.89. Failing that, 129.35 or 129.50, just a little bit of room, 20 pips or so, and that's a nice short. Your long is 129.89. So your short-term long point is the momentum low in the downtrend from the daily. So this is, you've got a very close opportunity here in this pound Swiss in both directions. That's pretty good. Now if you're going long at 129.89, your long stop, it's either the one-day low or 129.60, just the other side of this low, here, made in the US session. So to the short side, your stop, I mean, ideally is here. To the long side, your stop ideally is the daily low. But if it's too wide for you, you just want to accommodate 20 pips either side of your entry points, indicated here by these two lines. Okay. certainly the final signal from last week was very much to the downside in this pound Swiss. The only thing here, it's not. I mean, if you look at the daily candle in this pound Swiss, we closed right smack bang against the lows. That's actually not particularly a bearish sign, because it means there's exhaustive selling there. So we would expect a bit of a bounce from off this close, but you look then to short it. And you've got the 129.89 here as a close reference point, just above the price action. I mean, that's to say